In this session, we'll see how to export our reports in different format from Tally Prime. So we'll straight away go to Tally Prime. So we have already created a company in the name of Creative Business Solutions. So we'll go to balance sheet and we'll see how we can export this report in a different formats. So once you enter into a balance sheet, you'll be getting an option called export in the top menu bar. So we'll click on export. We have an option called current. So we'll enter on current option. So we go with configuration to select on which format I need to export a balance sheet. So here we have an option called file format. So if I enter on it, these are the formats where our Tally Prime supports with. So the first option we have ASCILL, which is also called as comma delimited, which is also called it as a text file. Excel, a spreadsheet. HTML, a web publishing. JPEG format. PDF, and even a XML. XML is used for data interchange part. So we'll see all the 6 formats how it will be exported. First we go with ASCII and it will ask where you have to save your exported file. So I go with folder path and I'll give a different path here from browsing. So I go with desktop, new folder, and I'll accept this screen. So that the format has got changed. It is in ASCII and the path is C drive, new folder, which is in desktop, new folder. So I click on send. So it has been exported and the folder has got opened automatically. So this is your balance sheet. If you open and if you see, it is displaying in a text format, a notepad format, where we are not getting a complete details in this screen. So this is the first format what we have seen. Similarly, we go with export, current, configuration. So we'll change the file format to Excel, and even the drive we go with a new folder itself which we have created on desktop, and we click on export. So it is exporting now. It is preparing an Excel sheet with the rows and columns. So immediately the Excel sheet is getting opened with a complete balance sheet. Even if you want, you can go with a detailed one. So it is consolidated here. So you can give an option while exporting as detailed and you can export it. So this is the second format what you can export from Tally Prime. Similarly, we go with the next option with the configuration. We'll select HTML format with the same folder, desktop, new folder, and we click on send so that it will be extracted in HTML and it will be opened in the form of a web browser and it shows in this format. So this is your HTML format. So we go with the next format, current. So we'll change the HTML format to a JPEG format which will be printed in the image format. So we go with the same path in a new folder which we have created in desktop, and we create a JPEG file by just giving a command called send. So this will be shown in your picture format like our image format, and you can send this. Similarly, you can also export in PDF format also. Instead of JPEG format, we can go with PDF and we give a same path a desktop, new folder, and we'll accept this screen and we give a command called send. So it will get exported and the PDF sheet will get opened automatically. This will be the balance sheet is showing in your PDF format. Similarly, you can go with export option and you can go with configuration, XML format, and this will be used to data interchange from one data to the other data. So it will not be in a readable format. So we'll export in the scene folder and we click on send so that it will open in a XML format and we'll double click on it. So this will not be in a readable format. We just open with in Notepad. So the balance sheet will be exported. You can see there is an option called a capital account and even the value we have, loans and liabilities we have, so which is not in a readable format. So these are the different formats where we use a export option from Tally Prime. Thank you.